I bet you want your dinner.
Yeah, he'll put his face right in the can while you're trying to feed him.
I know.
I've actually heard his teeth clanging against the fork.
Oh, really? I know. When you're trying to put the fork down there, that's
Him
cute.
and Sweetie do it.
You look like you have a lot of personality. I'll bet even more would come out.
He's laid back. He really is. I never saw a cat like him. Him and his mommy.
Oh, look at you. Now, who would think that I would get that?
Yeah, he's a sweet cat. He really
Aren't
is.
you?
He's really sweet.
Oh, Sniffles. Somebody would love you. We might be able to put your video up pretty soon.
He's good with my granddaughter, but none of them have been around kids. But my granddaughter, he loved my granddaughter come and go out there and holler his name, and he'll come running. He loves her.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, that's him. He's sweet. He's a little ham, ain't he?
Yes, he's a ham, all right. Yes, you are. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah,
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, that's Nosy.
Okay.
That's Nosy there.